Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful star made with twine. Now the reason why I'm going to make it with twine is because I've got quite a lot of it, and the reason why I've got quite a lot of it is that when me and my husband was out at the shops, there was one particular shop that was shutting down and everything was like taken away for free. It was that cheap. So I asked my husband to go and get some, and he came back with a shopping trolley and he got me loads and more, which was really nice of him. And I said, don't get any more, I've got enough. And he said, are you going to craft? And I said, yes. He said, so you need more. So today I'm going to show you a lovely star that's going to be really easy and cheap to make, and you can put anything with it. So keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Right, first of all you're going to need some sturdy cardboard. Now you need the cardboard that's really hard to bend, because you can get some flexible cardboard. You don't want that, you want some nice really hard cardboard. Obviously you're going to need some garden twine, you're going to need a ruler and a pencil. You are going to need a crafting knife so you can cut the design out. But I'm going to use a bread knife. It's an old bread knife, and I find that's easier to go through the cardboard itself. And a glue gun just to secure the little bits together. Now I've made an outline here just for the actual star, and so you can make it darker and then you can actually see around it. Now you can actually use a template for this. You can make one first, but I normally just go about 7 inches across and about 5.5 inches and then 7 inches across, and then just do a little bend and then do the same in that way, a little bend, and then that way, a little bend, so you actually get a perfect star then. So after you've sort of made it darker, the outline all the way around, you just need to do about half an inch all the way around. So after you've done the whole star, you just need to cut out the outlines. After you've done your star shape, just remove anything from underneath, because you don't want to poke a hole with the knife into your furniture or to your table. So just make sure that the knife can go through, and just pop it in. Okay, it's like a little saw. And then you end up with a nice star. You just need to cut the ends off just to make them rounded. Now you can use this with a craft knife, or you can actually use a knife again. It just gives them more of a rounded look. So now we just need to cut through this little line now, and that will give us our proper star shape. So now you can get your craft knife, and that you can just make some little holes. There's your star. Right, now you've got your garden twine, and now you just need to glue that to the back. I'm going to start right in the middle, and then every so often you can put a little bit more glue on, but do it on the back so it looks really neat. Now I've got a thicker piece of twine here, and I've just tied a little knot at there and just cut it off. Then you can place through there, and then you can hang it with just the little bit at the top. After you've completed your star, you can actually leave it like that, because I think that looks really nice on its own. But I'm going to add some of these eucalyptus leaves, and these are fake. So I'm going to use these, and I'm also going to use some of the berries. Now I normally get these around about Christmas time in the Christmas sales, but you can buy these from the craft store. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to place one onto there and place the other one on top of it there. Once you're happy where you want them to be, use some snips and snip them off. And you can place along there. I'm just using the twine to put them all together. I'm just going to put another one at the top here so that hides there. So this is the end result, and I think it's turned out really well. Now the inspiration from this was, I'd seen something in the White Company last year, I don't know if they've got it still there, and it was this sort of shape, and I thought, oh, I wonder if I could do that. So this year I've done it like this. You could just leave it with just the actual twine, and I think that looks really nice as well. If you've liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell, because that will let you know when I've made my next creation.